Hello everyone, welcome back. We are learning about different commands in the shell programming. So in the last video we learned about this MV command. So in this video we'll learn about this CP command. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with the MV command and you have practiced this multiple options available in this MV command. Now let us see about this CP command. So keep your heading all of you, CP command. All small letters, CP. Now, we observed in case of MV command, it is used to rename the file or a directory. And also we observed like whenever you are renaming, no additional space will be created. But whereas coming to CP is nothing but we want to copy the locations from one location to the another location. Okay, copy files from one location to another. Observe the difference here. Here we are completely moving the files from one location to another location, but whereas coming to CP, no, it will be creating a copy. So whenever we are creating a copy, you need to understand it creates a additional space in the disk, on the disk. Whereas in case of MV we understood like it will be simply renaming the things, okay, so that no additional space will be created, but here it will be creating an additional space. Okay, so the syntax for this one is you need to use CP and then you need to write options. We have some options available with this one, and then you need to write source, and then we need to write destination. Now understand here, if the destination is existing, it will be overwritten, same like your MV command. If it is not existing, it will create the new one. We have another type of syntax also, where you need to write the CP command and then you need to write options, okay, and after that you need to write a source, because you are going to move the files from one location to another location. You need to write down the directory into which you want to have one more copy also, okay, that is what. So first one is to create one copy of this file in the same directory, but if you want to create a copy in the another directory, you need to mention the directory, okay. And the other option is you can copy more than one file also, where the same thing like MV option, you need to write multiple file names. Let us consider source 1 and then source 2 and then source 3 you want to copy. You can write down that many number of source and then you need to mention the directory into which you want to copy. Okay, more than one file can be copied into the another directory also. Got it? But here you need to understand, here also if the destination exists, if the destination exists, then it will be overwritten. If not exists, it will be created. Okay, let us work with this one, how it will be working. Okay, so let us open our terminal and see how it will be working. Now let me show you what are all the things I have here. ls. So I have two directories, A1, A2, and I have some files doc3, jo1 and 3. Okay, 3 is also a file. Okay, I hope you are clear now. Now let us see how this CP command can be used. Now I told you we can rename, right? CP is nothing but creating a copy of that one. Let me create one with a new name. Okay, earlier case MV, it will be simply rename. I will be writing as 2. Did you see that is not there? Are you understanding? Now you see what happens. ls. Did you see this Jo1 is also there and Jo2 is also there? Okay, both the things will be available. Where in case of MV, it will be renamed to this one. So that's why I told you the one line saying like it creates an additional space for that one. Suppose let us move to A2 and see what are all the things are there first. Okay, In A2 something, nothing, no files are there. Okay, I'll come back. I am in A only. So these things are there. I want to move this Jo2. I want to copy this Jo2 to A2. A2 nothing is there, only this one is there earlier. Okay, are you following all of you? So CP, okay, what is that I want to do? This one I want to move to directory. Which directory? A2. Okay, let us see first in this one. This is there in A, this is there. Let us move to CD A2. Here I will check what is there. Did you see earlier in this A2 we have only A1, but as I have made a copy of this one into A2, so in A2 I got this file also copied there. Got it? So you can have two. This is one type of syntax where one file in the same directory you can create a copy of that one, or else you can create a copy of that file in another directory, or else you can copy a file of the two or more files can also be done. Let us consider, let us move back. Okay, completely about CD we have learned in future, or how the different types of options we have with CD. Okay, so CD space with dot dot is nothing but moving to the previous folder, previous directory. Now in this I have doc3 and Jo also. That also I want to make a copy of that one. How can we do? CP doc3. Okay, two files. Two I want to move to A2. Okay, now I want to move to CD A2. Okay, here I will be represent. Did you see earlier we have only this one, two files are copied, doc3 and Jo also. Understood? So these are the three types of syntaxes we have, only within the same directory or into another directory or more than one file. Got it? So this is all. Here with the CP we have multiple options also available. Let us see what are all the options we have. The first option we have is for confirmation. Similar like your MV, if you want to have an interaction, I stands for interaction, where you want to have a confirmation for overwriting. In case of overwriting, then you can go with this -I option. Let me see this. Control L. Let me move back. Okay, in this what are all the things we have like this? Okay, CD dot. Now in A we have these things. Now doc3 is available here and here also. Now I will see CP, okay, already existing one I am saying, -I, okay, doc3, document 3 I want to copy to A2. Then it is asking us to override. Did you see this confirmation was not there earlier? As I have added the option of -I, it is asking for the confirmation. If you say no, it will not be copied. Got it? But for the not existing files, that confirmation is not required. Only for existing file, the confirmation is required. Second option we have is to create a backup file, same like your MB backup file, if it is existing, in case of existing files. Okay, let me show you that. CP doc3 is already existing. Suppose, did you see in A2 we have these files and in A we have these files. Okay, now doc3 is already existing in A2. Now in that case it will copy there, but it will create a backup file of this one. Okay, so let us see that one. We'll move to A2 and now we'll see. Did you see doc3 is existing, so it has created a backup file which is having a tilde symbol attached to this one. Whenever you see this file, this is nothing but it is a backup file of the already existing file. Okay, now coming to the next option, one more option is there. If you want to copy complete directory, like file by file copying into a directory is very difficult. Suppose if you want to copy complete directory into another directory, then how can it be done? Let me show you that one. That option is -R. So to copy complete directory, understand here, I will tell you one example. Okay, you see, I'll move to scripts. A is one directory, Jyoti is one directory. In Jyoti, it is no, in this nothing is there. Okay, what is this folder? In scripts, in new one, nothing is there. Okay, now I want to copy all the contents of A. After all the things I have in A, I want to copy this to new one. Are you understanding, all of you? That is what I want to do. Okay, that means all the things from A I want to copy to new one. That is what I want to do. But simply if you write CP A to new one, if you write like this, it will not work. You are getting some options saying like hyphen or not specified. So that is what the use of hyphen R. Hyphen R is used to copy contents of all the directories. Then only it will be copied into this. Then only it will be working. Okay, did you see? Complete directory of A has been copied into this. Earlier in scripts A will be there, but a new copy will be created here. Everything whatever you have, it will be copied here. Got it? I hope you are understanding. So that is the use of this hyphen R option. What is the use of hyphen R? To copy the complete directory into another directory. Okay, so this is about CP command. Blindly you can understand MV command is nothing but cut and paste. CP command is nothing but copy and paste. Old one will be there, new one will be created. Old one will not be there. Okay, in case of EMP. I hope you all are clear with these two commands. Okay, let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you all of you.